demonstrate a metal displacement reaction in aqueous medium, take copper sulfate. This is copper sulfate, which is blue in color. The color of the copper is blue, so copper sulfate is also blue in color. First of all, we have to make the solution of copper sulfate. So take a beaker and fill it half with distilled water, and then add copper sulfate. Stir it well to make the solution of copper sulfate. Stir it continuously until it dissolves properly. So after stirring, we get this blue color solution of the copper sulfate. Next, we have to take iron nails, and the iron in turn will react with the copper sulfate, and hence this is a metal displacement reaction because iron is more reactive than copper. So this metal iron will displace the copper and iron sulfate will be formed and copper will be separated. How iron sulfate will be formed? You will see that when we will put the iron into this solution, the iron nail will get rusted, and that rust is actually the formation of the iron sulfate. Remember that prepare a concentrated solution of the copper sulfate, and one thing most important is that iron nail should be clean with no rust. Here I am going to show you from your notebook that the main caution is the iron nails should be free from any rust. Can you guess why this iron nail should be free from any kind of rust? That the reaction could occur properly. Now these are the iron nails which are free from rust, and now I'm going to add these iron nails into the copper sulfate concentrated solution, and after putting these nails for some time in the copper sulfate solution, we will observe that the iron nails has been rusted. Now just have a look at the iron nails in the solution. You will see that its color has been changed, and now after some time, if you could see, the color has been changed totally. And now I'll put it out from this solution, and you will observe the formation of the iron sulfate. Remember that do not keep the nails for long time because the nail will then dissolve. Now as you can see, this is the formation of the iron sulfate. Iron converts into iron sulfate and copper metal deposits at the bottom of the beaker. Iron replaces copper because iron is more reactive than copper. Hence we performed the experiment of metal displacement reaction in an aqueous medium. For any kind of questions regarding this experiment, you can ask in the comments section. Thank you, class.